Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We will demonstrate specifically on the 2016 Ford F-150 that we have here at the garage, but even if you have a different year, that generation video may be helpful. You have two different fuse boxes in your truck. One is under the hood, guys. If you open the hood, right behind the car battery, you have a fuse box. If you open it, you will see that you have relays, fuses, different kinds that could be really hard to find, expensive, or impossible to find, guys, in some cases to replace at part stores in small towns. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy some fuses, relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. Check it out for your convenience. The fuse for the driver door module will be located in the fuse box that's inside your cabin on the passenger side in the footwell by that kick panel, guys. If you remove that plastic, you're going to open a fuse box that looks like that. Now let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse that we need to check for the driver door module now, I'm going to zoom in, guys, and if you see, you have some weird looking fuses here as well. Those are double fuses, guys. Okay, those are two fuses in one. That's crazy. Some of you may not ever seen anything like that. But the fuse for the driver door module, if you come in that row right here and you see the number next to the fuse, fuse number 25, it will be that 30 fuse that you will need to check specifically for the driver door module, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find this. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.